If we are working and we are saying that 7 days we will work hard for 10 hours at least or 14 hours, I am saying 10 hours is more than sufficient, 70 hours, then actually we are reading only for 35 hours. And that in reading also we are just doing the reading, not retention or understanding. This is a major reason why confusion come in the time of examination.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एस्पायर आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Now before starting the batch, I want to discuss again few things which are very essential for your examination. First of all, remember this thing, the success in different field belong to three similar ingredients. Number one, strategy. Number two, the essentials. And number three, the guidance. All of you are knowing that after 10th class, we thought to take different type of streams, commerce, science and arts. And after that we are trying to become doctor, engineer, CEOs, different type of examination. Some people got the success and they got selected in IITs, some in NITs, some in local engineering colleges, in regional engineering colleges. At that time, what was the difference? We had the same mind, same mathematics, same physics, same chemistry. Even then the result was highly different. In the same manner, after 12th class and graduation, we applied in different type of jobs. Same mind, same IQ, everything same. Even then result is highly different. In the same manner, every year UPSC conducted the examination, various PCS conducted the examination. Some people got the selection, some people are still struggling in the PT examination, some people are main, some people in interview. Why? Because the strategy of different people are different, and after strategy the guidance is different. When these two factors work, then your dedication will work. But we are guiding by motivation, and motivation says 3 days of work, 3 days wastage and 1 day thinking. If we are working and we are saying that 7 days we will work hard for 10 hours at least or 14 hours, I am saying 10 hours is more than sufficient, 70 hours, then actually we are reading only for 35 hours. And that in reading also we are just doing the reading, not retention or understanding. This is a major reason why confusion come in the time of examination. There is a difference between your room, your own presumption regarding that yes, I understood the thing, then your own, there's a thinking that everybody is doing this thing, I can also do this thing. And in this particular matter, you forget about yourself. What is your need and what is the need of UPSC? हम इन सबको भूल जाते हैं. And we are guiding by the prototype system. Polity, Lakshmikant, economics, XYZ notes, जो भी आप पढ़ते हैं, then environment, that particular book, then history, that particular book, that culture, that particular book. And then we are saying that all these things are due by 99% people. That's why these are essentials. I am like you only. In 2005, when I entered in this field, my father was in railway, no knowledge of UPSC, not a single sibling prepared for UPSC, not a single guidance was there. Somehow, I met with a person who qualified this examination. Even at that time, I was not knowing what is IRS or what is IPS. Then he told me just in there is a sport, there is an event, swimming competition, that I am a IRS. I go, okay, wow. I go, what is this? Then he is saying IRS means revenue services. I go, okay, what is this? Because at that time my mind was not clear who I am, and I was just practicing my MA, and during MA I am giving some coaching, and my aim was to become some entrepreneur, or that is a software engineer, nothing else. Then he told me ऐसे ऐसे होता है, and then without thinking anything I entered in this field. And after that only my peer group and the people who are in the market guided me. हमारे समय पर पॉलिटी के लिए PM बख्शी चलती थी, सुभाष कश्यप चलती थी, DD बासु चलती थी, इसे पढ़ना होता था. उसके बाद किसी ने बोला कि इस पर्टिकुलर कोचिंग के नोट्स पढ़ने होते हैं. हमारे समय पर इकोनॉमिक्स के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर कोचिंग के नोट्स पढ़ने होते थे, नाम नहीं लूंगा. फिर हमारे समय पर एनवायरनमेंट नहीं होता था. हमारे समय पर हिस्ट्री के लिए स्पेक्ट्रम पढ़नी होती थी और बिपिन चंद्रा पढ़नी होती थी, और कल्चर के लिए हम लोग स्पेक्ट्रम पढ़ते थे. ये नॉर्मल नॉमेनक्लेचर था. एंड अवर टाइम 1 मार्क्स इज इक्वल टू 1 GS क्वेश्चन, 150 क्वेश्चन वर देयर टिल 2008. तो चीजें उतनी प्रोटोटाइप थी कि वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. देन इन द 2005-06 somebody told me कि मनोरमा इंडिया ईयर बुक पढ़ना होता है. हम नहीं मान लें, हम पढ़ना होता है. एंड 6 months वी रेड होल इंडिया पनोरमा ईयरबुक, और हमारा टारगेट ही होता था कि ईच एंड एवरी फैक्ट हम उसका याद करें. बट व्हेन आई अपीयर्ड इन द फर्स्ट पीटी, आउट ऑफ 150 माय स्कोर वाज जस्ट 27 मार्क्स. आई रियलाइज द मिस्टेक वेयर आई एम अ फॉल्टी क्रिएचर. इवन आई हैड द माइंड टू रीड. देन आई एनालाइज विदाउट UPSC पेपर वी आर नॉट इन अ कंडीशन टू एनालाइज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली UPSC इज आस्किंग. भाई यही डिफरेंस रह जाता है. नीड ऑफ यू एंड नीड ऑफ UPSC, ये हम कभी सेटिस्फाई ही नहीं करते हैं. वी आर सेटिस्फाइड दिस व्हाट अदर्स आर डूइंग. ये जो अदर्स कर रहे हैं हमें भी ये करना है. UPSC is asking which of the following are not the part of send amendment rules and regulations, या which of the thing are the part of send regulation. लेकिन हम क्या पढ़ के गए हैं, एक बुक जिसमें पहले चैप्टर का नाम था बेसिक एनवायरमेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज, दूसरे चैप्टर का नाम था पॉल्यूशन, तीसरे चैप्टर का नाम कुछ 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 कुछ. एंड नाउ वी आर फुल्ली डिपेंडेड ऑन दैट बुक बिकॉज एवरीवन इज डूइंग दैट बुक एंड वी नीड द कॉन्फिडेंस दैट इट बिफोर द एग्जामिनेशन आई कंप्लीटेड 5 सब्जेक्ट, एनवायरमेंट, पॉलिटी, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी. मेरा क्राइटेरिया ये नहीं है हाउ आई एम प्रिपेयर्ड माई सेल्फ टू क्रैक द एग्जामिनेशन. माई क्राइटेरिया इज हाउ आई कैन कंप्लीट द 5 सब्जेक्ट्स and before the examination I need this confidence as I completed with this 5 subject. Now my destiny will decide whether I will qualify or not. You yourself are not deciding, your destiny will deciding. And now you are making on the paper, agar paper iske anusar aaya I will qualify, otherwise it is my luck. No, this is a wrong strategy. If you are knowing that in the environment that book for the last 6 years are not providing more than 20% questions, even then everybody is reading that book. Why? Because no other option is available in the market. We are over congested in our time and we even do not want to waste our time because we are thinking by going here and there what they are providing. They're also talking about Tiger Reserve. Tiger Reserve is also there. Now please understand, Tiger Reserve is there, but UPSC is asking a different question on Tiger Reserve. They're asking about Panna Tiger Reserve, then they are asking 3 statements. Panna Tiger Reserve is also having the good population of Barasingha. Panna Tiger Reserve is also having the good population of teak, sal and deodar trees. And Panna Tiger Reserve is also having the good population of rhinoceros. Now this thing is not happening in that book. Last year only 2019 they asked a very tricky question about the rhinoceros, Genda. The first statement, India has the largest population of rhino. And number 2, that is rhinoceros is also available in Nepal and other countries. And third, they are asking in India rhinoceros is a part of particular policy. Now people got confused. Rhinoceros is in Pakistan or not? Rhinoceros is in that is a Nepal or not? Because they never heard this thing. According to us, maximum time what we are reading, India has the largest population of rhinoceros. Then Pobi Tora in Kaziranga National Park is having good population of rhinoceros. Now 2 hours, multiple questions, 100 questions, suddenly one question is coming in which we are having no surety. And even we do not want to take the risk because it is a matter of over 1 year time. 100% you feel some pressure in this question. And little bit pressure resulting in confusion. And when confusion is there is a high chances of incorrect. There is less chances of correct. इसे बोलते हैं एग्जाम प्रेशर. टुडे यू आर नॉट फीलिंग एनी प्रेशर. टुडे यू आर हैविंग वन बुक and in that book you just rotate the pages and you are feeling yes, my environment got over, it is done now and I completed this environment by myself in 10 days. Now this is a ego because you are not preparing for examination. You just want to complete the ritual that before examination I just want to complete 5 to 6 subject. ये यहाँ से हो जाएगा, ये यहाँ से हो जाएगा, current यहाँ से हो जाएगा, that's all. UPSC भी तो एक organization है. They are not crafting the paper to select you, they are crafting the paper to eliminate you. UPSC never designed the paper to select anyone because they are knowing I want to design the paper in which I can eliminate maximum and whosoever is remaining is a successful candidate. Their criteria is this. Their criteria is not to select you, but we never understand this thing. University paper they are designing to select the people, but competition paper are designing to eliminate the people. That's why they intentionally put up those things in which they are knowing people are not aware about. They simply ask under REDD plus India is originated with the Kempa fund. First statement, under the Kempa fund we are only cultivating indigenous trees. Statement number 2, Gram Sabha should be the advisory body regarding the selection of site as well as cultivation of trees. Statement number 3, Kempa fund money is coming from central government. Which of the following statement is or are correct? By name Kempa fund, everybody is knowing what is Kempa. Compensatory afforestation fund is Kempa fund for regeneration of forest. कहानी over. After that nobody is knowing anything. Now guess start. Yes, हमने पढ़ा था ग्राम सभा. Yes. We only heard about Kempa fund. We also heard about Kempa fund controversy regarding center and the government regarding consolidated fund of India as well as public account money. But after that we are not knowing. But one person read that Kempa fund in a very elaborated manner. He is knowing that I don't know about the Kempa, but yes, indigenous trees is a provision in National Green Highway Project. And if this is a provision in National Green Highway Project, 100% it is not the provision in Kempa. With the help of one policy, he deducts second. Then he is also knowing in the Kempa fund, it is responsibility of the state, not the panchayat. But in the afforestation policy, social forestry as well as National Green Highway Project is the responsibility of panchayat and Gram Sabha. He can also deduct that. And in the third, the money is coming from central government is again wrong because he learned that money is coming from the infrastructure projects like the corporate social responsibility in the form of environment social responsibility, and this money 2 to 3% is denoted by every person who construct the roads, railways as well as industries, and this money can be accumulated in the Camber fund. All the statements are wrong, none of the above. In Aspire, we are doing this. Elaboration and clarity about every policy and every scheme which are not in the books.